How to fix Uber Eats ID verification. So what we want to do is just load up the Uber Eats app. Now, once we have the app open, we're going to click on account found in the bottom right corner. Once we have selected this option, we'll scroll down until we see help. So just click on help. And here we need to select account and payments. Once we have clicked on account and payments here, then we need to select the very last option called I need to contact support. Once we have selected this, we will need to type out our phone number associated with the account as well as the name on our account. Now for the issue, we will select other and we will type this. I would like to manually verify my ID on Uber Eats. Now what this is going to do, it's going to get in touch with them and they will tell you how you can manually verify your ID, because the automatic ID verification system sometimes acts up and it doesn't let you verify. So click on submit and wait for a message back. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.